The tools we used were a measuring tape, a small ruler, a piece of string, and some tape.
In order to find the height of the locker compared to Jasmine's height, we first taped a string to the top and bottom of the locker. We had Jasmine hold the string up to her eye and step back until the string was held tight. We held up a ruler so that it was parallel to the door and touching both the top and bottom of the string. We looked at how many centimeters the ruler was and then measured how far the lowest end of the ruler was from her eye. We also measured how far the base of the wall was from her eye. With these measurements, we were able to conclude what the height of the locker was.
In order to get accurate calculations, all three of us were measured depending on our various heights. This, in the end, gave us a more accurate answer because we had 3 different trials. So here's a small clip of Bree and I getting measured.
We decided to make a diagram displaying a big triangle with a smaller triangle inside of it. We labeled the bigger triangle ABC and the smaller triangle AED. We concluded that angle A for both triangles are similar because they both share the same angle. Also, that segment ED is parallel to segment BC, making angle D and C corresponding angles and also making them congruent to each other. Also making the rule angle side, concluding in a triangle ABC to be equal to triangle AED.
Created the diagram that we used to talk about similar triangles previously. Although, this time we placed in Jasmine's corresponding measurements to each side that they were meant to be with. We also solved for x by placing an equation with a ratio that had one measurement of a side from a small triangle and then another measurement of the same side from the large triangle. Keep in mind that the small triangle inside the large triangle is a triangle that was made by the ruler becoming parallel to the locker, and then the large triangle is the yarn and the locker combined. Once we solved for x, we learned that the locker is approximately 196 centimeters.
After we used our measurement results to calculate the approximate locker height, we decided to get a direct measurement of the locker, just to see if we did our math correctly. We got 193.5 centimeters. Although our math wasn't spot on, we still did a pretty good job, but there were some mistakes that could have been prevented. One mistake was maybe we didn't pull the string tight enough in order to make a good triangle, or maybe Jasmine accidentally shifted when I was measuring her. Either way, we were in the very close proximity of the actual number, so we did good.